Hello guys, welcome back to Knitting Catalog. I'm happy to be in your presence today. If you are just coming by my channel for the first time today, you are welcome. Please subscribe so that we can enjoy knitting together in Knitting Catalog. And if you are a existing subscriber, thank you by staying by me. Today I bring another lace pattern to your view, and this lace pattern is very beautiful and I've tested it, used it for a crop top. And so in my front here is the needle layout. You can see what we have. It's a set of 3 needles pattern. The needle layout is in set of 3 needles, and the 3 needles have to be in odd numbers. So you can see that is the set of 3 needles have to be in odd numbers. So you can see what I mean. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and this is 1 2 3 4 5. So it's not balanced. Like if I have 6 at the front side, I'm supposed to have 6 at the back side. So it's not like that. It have to be in odd setting. So this is 6 in the front. The first order is going to be 6 set of 3 needles, and the back side is 5 set of 3 needles. And these 4 needles here, they are just edge needles. They are edge needles. So I'm going to go ahead right now and cast on. Then let's see how to manipulate this needle to give us the lace pattern. So guys, you can see what we have after knitting 10 rows, and I still brought out my needle layout, for you to see. So there is a foundation setting right now that I need to do. So I'm going to remove the stitch of this set of 3 that is in at B position, and remove the side stitches and hang it on the nearby 3 needles that is standing out. So you can see right now. So I have to do this right now to all those needles that are in B position. You can see what I mean, guys. So this is the foundation of this lace pattern. So that's it, guys. Then this is going to remain on A position. They are not going to walk. They are going to be on resting position. Then I'm going to shift this back to B position for us to see clearly what we have. So you can see the needle are not here. They are on resting position. So we have what the setting is: 3 needle each, just like this. That's the setting. So what I need to do is to knit 6 rows right now. This pattern design order is in 2 and is involving 6 rows each. So right now I'm going to go ahead and knit 6 rows right now after setting the needle this way. So 6 rows right now, guys. So guys, you can see what we have after knitting 6 rows right now, and that 6 rows is the first order of this pattern. So what I need to do is to manipulate these 3 stitches to come to this, and this turning to this. So I'm going to rearrange them back by having full 3 stitches here and having these full 3 stitches turning to this. So this is how I will do it right now, guys. I'm going to remove this stitch and take it across these 3 needle and bring this empty needle back to work, then go to this and remove the stitch and take it across to this. So you can see what we have. The one that the set of 3 that just have only 1 stitch on is now having 3 stitches on by twisting it, by twisting the stitches. So make sure you know the one that goes first. This went first and this coming second. So right now I'm going to repeat it to others set of the needle by bringing this to this. This come first, reselecting them or manipulating them back. So this go first. So you can see the needle that have 3 stitches now turning back to the other needle that have 1 stitch on. So you can see. So I'm going to go and do that to all the needle, bringing this back to work and picking this and send it back. So know the one that is going first. So that's it. So this is going first across to the empty needle and bring it back to work. Then this 3 set of needle, the first one by this side is going last to bring the former empty needle back to work. So you can see it's setting back. So this to cross and this to come back to here. Then this to go back here. Then this to go back. Then I'm going to shift them back right now. Make sure the empty needle go back to a position. So you can see what we have. This is where we have the empty needle before. Now is becoming full needle. So alternating the needle arrangement by manipulating them. So right now I'm going to knit 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see what we have. So right now I'm going to go ahead to alternate the needle arrangement. So this is empty needle and this is full 3 needle. So I'm going to turn this side to full 3 needle and here is going to be on empty, having 2 empty needle. So you remember, so this is going first. You have to take it across the center needle. So it's going first, then this coming back, twisting the stitches, like Arab cable. So then this is coming first, then this is going. So rearranging them back where we have the empty needle is having full stitches. So you can see, then this go first to bring the empty needle back to work, and this go like that. So everything is setting back in opposite direction. So this go first, alternating the needle arrangement right now. So let's go, then come, let's go across that needle at the center, then come. That's it. Then make sure the needle at the back are resting, they are on a position. Right now the needle is being alternating, manipulating to change their position. So where we have the empty needle before is now full 3 needle to create the pattern. So right now I'm going to knit 6 rows right now. So you can see what we have. So I'm going to go ahead and, you know, do the same thing